Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the PAD104 Visualizing Idea Innovative Mind Mapping for Learning Enhancement. Here is our content. We have the abstract, the introductions, the problem statement, impact and significance, the novelty, value added, student outcome, conclusion, and also the references. Visualizing idea is a innovative mind mapping for learning enhancement is an educational innovation designed to improve student critical thinking, creativity, and knowledge retention through the effective use of visualized mapping technique. This project introduced a structure, yet flexibility digital mind mapping tools that enables a learner to organize, connect, and expand their idea in an engagement and systematic way. By integrating a visuals learning strategy with course content, the innovation support across multiple subject area. The approach also align with the 21st century learning skills by fostering collaborations, problem solving, and innovative among students. Introduction. The mind mapping are effective study technique when used to improve factual recall from written materials. Concern exists regarding levels of motivation among the diploma student using mind mapping. While the mind mapping technique, which seems to be practically suitable to the public policy student, it is an effective learning is required to both encourage and motivate students to be more creative in learning. There is 4 problem statements identified for this project. The first is related to the traditional teaching method provide limited opportunity for students to visualize idea effectively. Second problem is related to the student facing difficulties in organizing and connecting complex information. Second, student engagement is often lower when learning is too teacher-centered. And the fourth one, there is a lack of interactive tools that can help sustain motivations and improve understanding. Objective of this project, the first, it would be improve learning effectiveness through the clear and more structured idea visualization. Second, to promote critically and creative thinking among the student. The third one, to support diverse learning style using visuals and interactive approaches. And fourth, to integrate the 21st century learning skill such as collaborative and problem solving. And the fifth one, to provide an innovative alternative that enhance traditional teaching method. Impact and significant mind mapping, we can divide it into 4. The first one, for the student, it can enhance interest, motivation, and conceptual understanding. And for the lecturer, it would be provide the innovative strategy to enrich teaching delivery. And for the institution, it will support technology-based teaching aligned with the digital education's aspiration. And for the society, it will nurture the graduates with the creativity, critical thinking, and innovative skill. And for the novelty, it will create a short-term challenge, replacing the traditional lecture. Second novelty is about the mapping structure, whereas it can motivate deeper engagement with the team members. And the third one, integrations of infographic and collaborative report in assessment. And the fourth one, it will be build a critical thinking among the student. And the fifth one, it will help the university and learner adopt innovative learning approach. Value added for the mind mapping. The first one, it will bridge the gap between the theory and practice in the public policy theory. The second value added, it will enhance the team collaborations and cross-culture communication. And the third one, it will promote applied learning rather than the rote memorizations among the student. This is a first sample of our students' outcome using the mind mapping for the political system theory. This is a second sample for the mind mapping by our student, where the student try to illustrate the incremental theory into the infographic context. This is the third sample of the mind mapping by our student that related to the theory, a political system theory. So, last is related to the student reflection. There is some samples that I take from our student, their own self-reflections using the mind mapping in their learning process. And the conclusion, mind mapping, as we can conclude, is an interactive learning technique, play an important role in the improvement of communication skill and effective learning. Mind mapping also is an innovative learning method in which learner can boost and develop memory through a unique learning method and help for the create a new environment for innovations processing. With that, thank you so much.